Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2013 Mazda 3 Touring, stock number B8986A. Only 41,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, liquid silver metallic in color. The Mazda 3 is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5, cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And a removable cargo net, perfect for keeping smaller items secure. This Mazda 3 has advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, this Touring has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, 10-speaker Bose sound system, power moonroof, large, easy-to-read gauges, again only 41,000 miles, steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, easy to operate radio and CD player, as well as heating and air conditioning. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect mobile media devices. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead auto dimming mirror with home link transmitter for garage door opener and compass display. Under the hood, this Mazda has a 2-liter, 4-cylinder, 155 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average of 28 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 40 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Mazda 3, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.